Hi guys, I'm doing those things with like the oh, so I'm gonna do like that and it makes like those cracking noise. So yeah, let's get started. First I'm going to do what should I do first? Okay, I'm not just doing voice, I'm doing 1 minute, let me get this. Oh, that would sound cool. And then we're going to do this for 1 minute. Oh my god! Oops, I just keep dropping this. Just stay still! Come on, man! Come on, stay still. Okay, and now what should we do next? Hello, my name is Adam, and my last name is Ali. Adam Ali. Yeah, that's right. Adam Ali. And my YouTube username is Adam Ali 700. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, I have an idea. 1 minute, let me get that close. Okay, and then my idea was this. 1 minute, let me get my mic. And now my next one is so, and then let's try water. I've got a pan of water, and I'm just gonna put this down here so I could get the mic. Oops, I just wet my speaker. So I just wet my speaker. Who cares? Okay, and now I'm going to do I don't know what to do. Oh wait, let me just. Oh, I just keep hitting that with the speaker. Oh my god! Look, I seriously read that speaker. Come on. I wish I had AirPods. Now let's try this for a moment.